Hi Jada. Sorry, firstly, about that dog barking in the background, not my dog. Alright, let me show you a few things. So first I'll do appearances, that's easy. So to make it look like wood, click A on your keyboard and it pops up. Now it may come up within this design, and it's got a lot, but it's because I was testing colours. But the ones we've been using are 3D Cherry Unfinished, that's the one. So you just click and drag that over the piece. And the other one is the walnut. So I was pretty sure that was... Oh, I slipped. Remove appearance applied to bodies. Cancel. Walnut. Yeah, it wants to put it on the whole thing. Oh no. Hang on. Something has gone awry. I think it's because the drawing's connected through here. Has it made it one body? Let's just turn that sketch off so that's out of the way. And bodies. What's going on here? Escape off orbit. What am I on there? The underlined one is that. Body 79. No, they look like separate bodies. Okay, that's bizarre. Try again. A. Man, that dog is persistent. Walnut. See, it goes on one piece there, gives you a preview. That's fine. That's fine. There we go. Not sure why it was doing that before. Might have just been the angle I had to train on. Might have been too many things like behind it. Okay? So that's how you put your appearances on. And if you make a mistake, you can just drag the one you meant to over top of it and it stays on there. Okay? Alright, now let's have a look at how to draw the wheels. I drew one here to, I think it was 40mm diameter, and I think it looks okay-ish, and probably look better once there's more things in here. So I'll just go through how to draw the wheel, and it's the same philosophy for if you have to draw different sized ones, okay? So, sketch, pick the view. I'll just redraw this one. So, circle tool, click, move, type the diameter of the wheel you want to do. So I think I made this one 40. Enter. Okay. I will just check that. Inspect that wheel. Yep, diameter 40, there it is. Close. Okay, back to sketch mode. Click from the center, 9.5 for the dowel. Enter. Extrude. I can't see it because I turned sketches off before. Turn back on. So I'm going to extrude that 7mm. Enter. Why 7? I kind of made it up, but we need to keep it consistent, sorry, for all the wheels. Okay, so from here to here is 7, this inner one is 7, and there's the little gap there, like this inner circle is smaller, so that when you make your track, it will fit in that shape. So when we put all your wheels on, it's important that the center of your wheels are aligned from the front of your train all the way down the back. Okay? So 7 to there, 7, that thickness, that's 7 as well, that's 7 as well. And from like the bottom of your wheel up into there is 5. So the diameter of this inner circle is 10mm smaller than whatever the outside one is. Okay? Let's go back to that wheel we were drawing. Where'd I put him over here? I'll just draw him from this side. No, I'll draw him from this side, since it's on this side of the train. No, changed my mind again, sorry. Front. Okay. Sketch on this circle now. Circle, make sure you get the same center. There it is. Click, move. So this one was 40. So we are going to go 30, enter, which means there's 5 there, 5 there. You get the idea. Extrude. That one, 7, enter. And we'll go again, but sketch on this face this time. Circle from that center point out to the 40 again. 4 starts with 40. Done. Extrude that one and that one, and I'll just orbit to check I did get the actual one. Yep. Escape, and we're going to make that one 7, enter. That's the main construction of the wheel. Now I'm going to do the fancy bit. It's pretty simple, to be honest. Front view. Sketch the outside face of the wheel. Right, we've got this tool called offset. I'm going to click that circle, and we're going to bring him in -3 mil. So minus means it's going to come in towards the center. If you make it a positive number, it moves out from the center. So we're going to go -3, enter, and then we're going to extrude that inner circle -3, enter. So what you've got now is that shape there. So if I just inspect now what this circle is, it's got a diameter of 34. So I just go sketch again on this view, circle. There's a bit of construction in this, but it's not too hard. It's just a little time consuming. 34, enter. Okay, offset. So we're going to bring that one in -3 again. We'll draw the center circle again, 9.5, and we're also going to offset that one. Okay, but this is +3, enter. Okay, so it's all about the line tool now from the very center of the circle straight up. So make sure it's bang on 90 degrees. Line tool again, straight down 90 degrees. The length doesn't matter so long as it cuts through the circles. Line 90 degrees or 0 degrees, done. Line out this way, nice and straight, so 180, done. Now these ones through here, 45 degrees. From the dead center. Now I'm going to hit tab to go across to my degrees and just type in 45, enter. Line, dead center out this way, tab, 45, line, out this way, tab, so this one will be from 90 plus 45 this way is 135, so tab 135, line out this way, yeah, it'll be 135 as well, so tab 135, enter. Cool. Offset tool again, we're going to pick these straight lines and we're going to go distance 1.5 mil. We're going to go 2 sides, so then obviously it's 3 mil. Okay, enter. We'll do that again when it's ready. That line 1.5, it's 2 sides, okay. That one 1.5, 2 sides, okay. 3 to go, or 4 to go. 1.5, 2 sides, okay. Almost there. .5, 2 sides, okay. 3 to go. .5, 2 sides. Last one. 1.5, 2 sides, okay. Alrighty. Looks complicated. It's just lines. Now we're just going to trim off what we don't need. So T on your keyboard. Don't need those ones. Those ones I'm just going to work from the outside. all the way around and then work inwards. You can probably see it starting to take shape. Okay, next bit inwards. Looks like I got it all. Those two on there. And then everything in here on the inside. Let's just zoom in. Don't worry about all those little, they're called constraint lines. They won't be visible when we're done. There. I think that's all of them. Okay, now we can see our pretty wheel. Escape to turn off trim, E to turn on extrude. That's the one we want for 3mm. Done. Zoom out. I'm going to spin him around. This way. Okay. And then it's a case of just moving that into place. But it's easier if we put the appearance on now. So A for appearance. Oh, there he is. Let's put the walnut on that one. And what was that other one? 3D cherry unfinished, that one. Okay. Close. M for move. We're going to go selection, that one, point to point, grab the outside circle there. It's gone in a bit, so we'll just translate it out. And it's going to be Y for me. But if you're not sure, you just drag the arrow you want, move it, and it tells you which one. I may as well just type it in here, -3. Enter. Pretty wheel. Okay, once you've drawn one, you can do the whole move copy thing. So you can go translate or point to point and just do create copy. And then when you slide it, there's your next wheel. If you need to spin it around, hit rotate. Pick an upright axis and drag him around. Okay, right around to the 180. Okay, then he's around the other way for you. You may as well then just slide it back onto the side of the train you want him on. Okay, so that's how you do your wheels. are cylindrical things. I'm assuming it's when you want to do something like the drum, or I think I've got your drawing here somewhere. Nope, that's Matt's guitar. This one. There it is. This is a little cylinder here and the fuel tank. If it's just round, if it is literally a perfect cylinder, that's really simple. If it's different profiles here, it's a little trickier, and then it's trickier again when it's got different colors through it, because you can't just draw it as one piece. To apply appearances that are different, they have to be different bodies. So when I drew this was one body, then I drew the next body on top, and then I did the next body, and then I did the next body. So it's a little bit complicated. So I'll just draw a cylinder first up, and then I'll show you how to do it when you've got to make different profiles and colors for it. This one. Okay. So, sketch, probably this way. Circle, cylinder, let's just say it's, I have no idea, 30mm diameter, E for extrude. There's your cylinder. Okay, apply your appearance. Can't remember what it was, but you can delete this body out if you don't need it. Okay, to do something one piece just with a different profile through it, let's look how to do that. Sketch, let's do it from this viewpoint here. Now I'm going to move this wheel out of the way so I can work from this origin point. Okay, so I'm just going to hit finish sketch. M for move. I want the bodies. I'm sure there's another body in there. Oh, it's got the whole thing. Bizarre. Come on, little fella, off you go. Yeah, there he is. There we go. Okay, top. Sketch from the top. Circle. Alright. Let's go 30, enter. Finish sketch. Sketch again. Just click on the house. And click from there. We know the red and the green intersect the center of that circle. Might just draw the rectangle this time. Let's just go 40, tab 15, enter, and I'll draw my profile on there. Or whatever it is. T for trim, and Z. Okay. Escape, finish sketch. Just going to spin my drawing a little. And now we're going to go revolve. If it's not there, it's there. Profile, axes. This is not behaving right. I wonder if it's because I'm recording a video. Ah, bizarre. That is not how it used to work. It's not how it worked like a couple of days ago. So I'll show you what I just did. So I selected the face as the profile, and the axis was the straight up and down line from the center. Profile, axes. Just clicked that line. Yeah, that's so weird. Okay, so that's how you do like a one-piece thing. But when I click appearance, I'm pretty sure, see, it just covers the whole thing. If you don't want that, you need to draw it as separate bodies. So let's go for that idea now. You can just delete this body if you don't need it, which you don't. So first I'm just going to move it out of the way because it's on my origin. Okay. Sketch. I'll just draw from this viewpoint this time. So this is like a fuel tank with multiple parts. So I'm going to go 30, enter, extrude, depends on your design. It's going to go 10, enter, okay. Sketch on this face, anywhere, so circle, it started at 30, undo, sorry, circle, there, 30, orbit, drew it on the very front, Command Z. Let's move it out of the way. Okay, so I drew the first part of the little cylinder there. I'm going to draw the next body of it. I'm going to start at the same 30, enter, finish sketch, sketch again, just do it from this view here. Ah, there's always something in the way. Get this one out of the way. Stop that, finish sketch, let's move view. Back to sketch, back to this view. Okay, there's the center of my circle. Just go out this way. Let's just go 40 by, nope, 15, tab 40, enter. Draw my profile in there. There, to there, to there, trim that bit off, escape, move it back to the view. Okay, and I'm going to create, oh no, finish my sketch. Profile, axes, so bizarre. Okay, and now I can move this one onto this one. So M for move, this body, point to point, there you go, center to center, click OK. And now because that's two separate bodies, when I hit appearance, I can put one on there, and wherever the other one was, be the last one I look at. And that's how you do it. Okay? Sorry, that's the worst video I've ever made. So, you learned how to draw a wheel. You learned how to draw a plain cylinder, this one over here. You learnt how to draw a one-piece cylinder with a profile on it. That was going to be one appearance. And how to draw a cylinder of sorts with a profile on it. Two different bodies so that you could apply different appearances to it. Two different species of timber.